Hey, so I have a 2011 Jeep Compass here, and I'm going to show you how to replace the license plate bulb that lights up the license plate in the back of this vehicle. This is pretty easy to do. So I've got a new set of 194 bulbs. I've got a flathead screwdriver to help pry the tab down, and I have some gloves right here to put on to keep the oil from my fingers off of the new bulbs. If possible, you want to wear some gloves to keep your oil from your fingers off the bulbs because it'll shorten the life of the bulbs. All right, so both of these lenses on both sides of the license plate are the same. There's a little tab in here. You can probably catch it with your finger and move it over if you live in a drier state. We're up here in New Hampshire, and a lot of the road salt and dirt gets trapped in these tabs, so it's a pain to kind of get them out. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to kind of gently pry that tab over. You just got to be really careful because these plastic lenses can get brittle, and gingerly pry them out. So get this one coming down, and there's a couple tips right at the end of it. So I'm going to take those out, and I'm going to put my rubber gloves on, bulb out of there. So the bulb itself just pulls right out like that. And I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the filament inside this bulb is blown. So I'm going to grab my new bulbs. And this is one of those things, it's going to save you a couple bucks. You know, your local garage would charge you a couple bucks to do this. You go to the dealership, do this, rake your over to Kohl's for this easy stuff. It's a big money maker for them. And you can get these bulbs at your local auto parts store for a couple dollars. So I got my new bulb here. And you just take your bulb, push it right back into place. Give it a tug to make sure it's in there. And you're going to try it out. All right, we got that one lit up, and the other one's actually burnt out too, so I'm going to tackle the other side. So the other side is done the exact same way, just same way procedure for the other lens, the other light bulb for your license plate. Hope this video helped you out. If you liked it, hype the video. It helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.